Alright guys, let's go this way. I think this is the same chunk. Yes, this is it guys, the one that had the big old hole in the engine. And as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, he have it out. Whoa, wow. This is an 8-speed transmission. Y'all remember, I think he was telling me that engine was seized up. Where's the old engine? Because the piston was seized, was jammed inside of the bore. So it was unable to turn in order to get the converter, in order to remove the torque converter bolts. You know, you have to rotate the, oh God, I hope it didn't, let's take, where's the engine? Right here, guys. Here we go. See, you have it on this bottom side, so I can't see the damage that was incurred. But, oh, yes, guys, sometimes you will have to do this. Bring it all out together, okay? Matter of fact, he'll be back in a second. We're going to talk about this some more, guys. But, yes, it looks like he had enough room. Oh, okay, that's how you gain all that room. Remove the timing cover. You should have enough room to lift up on the engine and bring it forward. Okay, once you bring it forward, that means you will clear this torque converter and you can bring it all out together. Because other than that, you will have a hard time. Remember, guys, we can't rotate this. So how are you going to remove the torque converter bolts? Okay, I've had to do this a lot on 2.7s, 3.5, anything. If you're unable to turn. Now, in one instance, I had to remove the oil pan and free up the rod that was seized up to the crank, because I would have had a hard time getting that engine out without it. But you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Whatever way you see fit to removing this engine, and you're unable to remove the torque converter bolts, bring it all out together, guys. Yes, you just got to be careful not to damage this shaft, because you don't want to ruin the transmission. But he got it out. I wish he had the oil pan. Well, there's not an oil pan on it. Where is the old oil pan? Ladies and gentlemen, it is. Is this it? Yes. I think I pinpointed this out to y'all a while back. But yes, guys. Wow. This is it, guys. Yep, this is the oil pan off that engine. Look at the damage. I still want that engine jacked up and see how it looks underneath. Okay, but because I can't really, I want to see what piston. But yep, was some damage, that's for sure. Huh. Like I say, guys, this thing is it was built for toughness, so you can't fault the driver. Yeah, you got to be extremely careful with that shaft, removing that transmission or removing the engine out that way. Like I say, you have to come frontwards in order to clear the bell housing to remove. But my man got it out. Okay. Wow, pretty interesting. Okay, guys, let's go this the way. All right, guys, here's the I want to show y'all something concerning the drive shaft. Y'all remember the car with the big wheels had the vibration, guys? I don't know how many of you guys attempt, you know, drive shaft would cause vibration, right? Everybody know that. There's a bushing right here, guys, that tend to wear out. And guys, I don't know of any other way. Is anybody replacing this bushing? I've always replaced the complete drive shaft, which my man here is doing. He got the whole drive shaft. He replaced it, okay? There's a mad vibration while driving, okay? You got to be careful. Don't let this stuff trick you, because it can easily mislead you into thinking tires, suspension parts. Now, yes, granted, check everything, but do not overlook the drive shaft. This will trick you every time. I have not found, I don't even know if this is replaceable separately. It doesn't matter. When I see this, you're getting a complete drive shaft unit, guys. Yes. The rear wheel drive, the LX rear wheel drive cars. Wow, what is this going in? I don't know. Likely a 1500, okay? Because the 1500, you have about 3 different options. The nag, 8-speed rear wheel drive, You know, either way, guys. Not sure, but hey, what's going on over here? Oh no, could be a ticker. Could be a camshaft job, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna ask him tomorrow. I get in his ear tomorrow. I don't want to touch anything. But this transmission is likely going in this Wrangler, guys. What y'all think? Oh God, I hate working on these Wranglers with the four-wheel drive unit, guys. Oh, they are pain. The transfer case and all that. Last Wrangler I did, in fact, I'm gonna card it right here. Y'all check that out. It was a pain to get that and it was a nag with a four-wheel drive unit in it. All right, so I don't know, guys. Let's go this way. A cop car. Yes. Every now and then, the cop cars come to see us. Now, what do we have under here? Oh, come on, man. Who are they gonna catch with this? Guys, most typical cop car is gonna get the powerful engine. This is obviously not a speedster cop guy. He's just anybody drive this is just a ticket guy. I'm just gonna give you a ticket. You're not trying to outrun me. You're not trying to escape or run away. Who are you gonna catch? Now, I'm not gonna belittle because there's some real horsepower behind this guy. Just not enough to okay, let me say it like this. Just not more than the 5.7 Hemi. Okay, if you're a cop company or if you're the head of the PD, you know, police department, chairman or owner or whatever, you're gonna get your cop cars equipped with the most powerful engine that's offered by the manufacturer. In this case, that's two different options can go in here. The 3.6 or the Hemi. Now, the average cop, every now and then, he gonna want to punch it, go catch a bad guy. Not sure if he gonna catch that bad guy. I don't know, man. Let me stop, man, because that sounds like I am belittling the 3.6. And imagine if you ticking, because keep in mind, guys, y'all know how these cop guys work. They will sit here and let their car idle forever, waiting on somebody to speed by them. They just sit there and chill with the AC on. Nothing's wrong with that. Happens all the time. And you can eventually end up ticking, guys. Remember I talked about that in one of my videos. Top 3 ways to help prevent your engine from ticking. Any engine. It don't have to be a 3.6 or a Hemi, but any engine. You got to cut down on the idle time. Watch that video. I will card it right here. Top 3 things you can do to help prevent or keep your engine from making that dreaded ticking noise. Alright, I don't even want to talk about this no more, man. Cop car with a 3.6 should have a Hemi on you. Shame on you. I'm not going to expose the county that this cop car is from. Okay, because you guys that's into bad things and running from cops if you see that on the car, you may think you can outrun this poor guy. That may give you some ideas to do something bad. So I won't do that. Let's go this way, guys.